Hello and welcome to yet another video on SDD, presented by your mentor Vivek. The visit finished and your panel now shows the site's URL. Click it and you'll see absolutely nothing. A blank server ready for content. Today we fix that. Upload every Workshop Hub file and wire up the environment. And if you ever lose this panel, don't panic. Websites, your hosting plan, control panel, and you're right back here. There are a few ways to get files onto a server. FTP, SSH, or the file manager built into the hosting panel. FTP and SSH are powerful, but for a first deployment, the file manager wins. It runs in the browser. It's drag and drop, and there's nothing extra to install. That's our tool today. Before uploading, one file needs editing on your machine. The .env file inside the Workshop Hub package. Any editor works, no code editor. Drag it into Notepad. The package ships production ready. Debug off, install flag clear, database section empty for a clean setup. Only one line needs you. App URL still points to localhost. Copy your site's URL from the panel and paste it in. And here's the trap. Remove the trailing slash. An app URL ending in a slash quietly breaks links all over the app. Paste, trim, save, close. Now the upload. Workshop Hub splits into two destinations, and the split matters. First, open the hosting's public HTML folder and delete the placeholder file the host left there. Then, take the contents of Workshop Hub's public folder, just the contents, and drag them into public HTML. Everything else, every file and folder, except public, goes into the root directory, outside public HTML. Yes, even though the panel says, do not upload anything here. That's exactly where the framework lives. Drag it all in and let the progress bar run. App code in the root, public assets in public HTML, environment pointing at the right URL. Once the upload finishes, we're 100% ready for the next step. Up next, a performance trick with a symbolic link, the production database, and backups. If you found this useful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for patient listening, and see you in the next video. Until then, peace out.